Hello everyone, welcome to class time. Dear friends, today we are going to see about adjective, its order and position. Already we have seen what is an adjective, that is like adjective verifies noun. Okay, already we have seen this, but today what we are going to see, its position. Why shall we see about its position? What is the need to see its position? Okay, that also we shall see. But before that, the warm up part in your book, that is on page 14, okay, in your book, giving us some verification or some clarification, or so to say, like a recap, like what is an adjective, we practicing out, that will be helpful. So without getting delayed, let's get. Yes friend, so the warm up part, it is telling us number one, cheesy round Italian, okay, and next one, comfortable large rocking, angry tall red eye, and old rusted swing. These are the other side. We are given giant machine, chair and pizza. Okay, now we need to just match them. And what is the objectives of it? It is told like match the adjective with the noun they describe. Okay, now see, the first one is given cheesy round Italian. Okay, Italian. Now what can be cheesy? Can it be a giant? Not at all. Can a machine be a cheesy one, round? A chair? Not possible. Okay, so pizza, of course, pizza is in round shape, that also, and with the cheese. Okay, so this is how we need to match. So cheesy round shape will be with the D, that is pizza. So that way what we can see the other parts. Okay, the second one, comfortable large rocking, for that the C will be there, that is chair. Okay, number three, angry tall red eye, that will be giant. Okay, giant will be the third one, and fourth one, old rusting swing, that will be machine. Okay, swing machine. Okay, for stitching clothes. Okay, so that is all about this. So more or less we have seen that adjective is the word which is telling us, giving us more information, like what is noun or how the noun is all about. Okay, so in case you have not seen what is adjective, if you do not know, I have already taken a video, you will find it in the playlist. Okay, already one class is there, so you can go to the playlist and find the video from there. Now let us continue from the book. In this book we shall see the position. Now what is the need for the position? Dear friends, sometimes it happens that we add so many quality of a single noun. Suppose you are going to pluck a mango, it's a mango season, okay, and you see, that there is the mango, it is red big one. We say, what do we say? That red big mango, okay, that red big mango I need. So what are we doing? We are telling the color of the mango, we are telling the size of the mango. So two adjectives we are telling. Okay, now will it be red big mango or will it be big red mango? Which will be the correct one? Okay, this is what we are going to learn in this page. Okay, sorry, in this chapter. So for that, one example already it is given. They are telling us Japanese paper colorful fan. Okay, Japanese paper colorful fan. Okay, that two sentences are given. Let us see those two sentences. So these two sentences are given. First one, the Japanese paper colorful fans are sold here. Okay, the sentence is there in your book, are on sale here. And second one, the colorful Japanese paper fan are on sale here. Okay, these two sentences are there. Dear friends, of these two, which one sounds better? The Japanese paper colorful fan or the colorful Japanese paper? The Japanese paper colorful or the colorful Japanese paper? Obviously the second one gives us more sweet sound than the first one. yes or no? Now why it's so? Because adjectives putting it, so when we use more than two adjectives, one adjective, no, there is always an order, and when that order is being followed, it really sounds good, or it is sounds better. Okay. Now the order of these adjectives, if at all there are so many adjectives together, the order you can see it on the screen. Okay. The first one is opinion. Is it beautiful, is it sweet, is it ugly, is it smart, tall, that, you know. And tall, of course, it won't be. So first one is opinion, second will come is the size, third will come shape, then age, then the color. Okay, like then color, then source or origin. Okay, from where it is. Okay, like as we say Japanese. Okay, Japanese, it is from Japan, its origin, its source is being told that way. Then next is material, is it iron, is it paper, is it wood, that material. Then the purpose, for what it is. Okay, and last we can put the noun, only then we can put the noun. So that is what we are saying here also. Okay, if we follow that same order what we saw just now, first we are giving the color. Okay, in the order color comes first, then only comes the source, the origin from where it is, then only comes the material, that is paper. Okay, dear friends, so that is why it is the correct one. Now looking into that, it is telling us that you try to match it. Okay, you try to make sentences, that is number A, it is telling. Okay friends, and already they have given us like Shilpa told a silly old joke. Okay, and they are making a sentence, so you can try your own that A. Now because already the adjectives are being given there, and one example also is given. Now as for your question number B, okay, question number B, that is underline the adjectives in these sentences. Okay, then rewrite the sentences with the adjective in the correct order. Okay, we will have to write the adjective. Let us try the first one, dear friends. What is how is it? Okay, whether it is correct or not correct. So the sentence is this: the queen wore a silken beautiful evening gown. Okay, here the adjectives are silken, beautiful. Okay, silken, beautiful, and evening. Okay, evening means at what time, the moment when it is wore, that according to that the dress, gown means the long dress, no, frock like the dress is being named. Okay, dear friend, so we have 1, 2, 3. Now this 3 has to be adjusted. Now what is this silken? Silken is the material with which it is made. Beautiful is the opinion. Opinion means my decision. One dress for me will be very beautiful, for the other person may not be beautiful. Okay, so it is a dress, opinion. Okay, and evening, of course, it is timing of it. Okay, so that way it will be if we check the list again, which is appearing in your screen, no? The first one will come your opinion. So opinion means the beautiful. Okay, beautiful. The second one, if we go on matching, it will be the material. Okay, material is silken. And what purpose? It is for the evening purpose. So evening purpose will come last. So evening. So it should have been like this: the queen wore a beautiful silken evening gown. Okay, friends. So that way we can adjust. Now for the rest, okay, 2 to 10, I'm sharing you the answers in the screen. Okay, you can simply pause the video. You can note it down. If at all you have any doubts regarding any of the sentences here, dear friends, kindly do comment and let me know, so that I can help you out in getting it correctly, or in getting cleared your doubts. Okay, dear friends. Now let us try to move to the next one, that is number C. And what does I shall be giving you the answer for this C also, and try to understand what it is. Okay. Number C is telling us like use at least 3 adjectives in the correct order to complete these sentences. The first one has been done for you. First one you can see it in your book, page number 15, it is already being done. The second one, let us try to understand. Dear friends, not necessary that whatever answer I give is the only answer. It will differ, okay, according to your choice. Suppose you wish you have better words as adjective for this sentence, you may go on, okay, provided it is put in a correct order, okay friends. So the second one is, I like my school because it is. I like. Why do I like? Do you like your school? If you like, well and good. Otherwise also you'll have to like your school, okay dear friend. Now for what reason do you like? Okay, if you like your school, for what reason do you like your school? Now this here answer for this is given like this: I like my school, okay, because it is, I'm writing it this side, beautiful, okay, because it is beautiful. I'm giving you the opinion first, then I'm giving you the size. Beautiful, big, then what it is? It is a building, okay, beautiful, big building. So I will give you building will come according to the chart, okay. Okay, fine, we shall give the age of it. School is already a building, so because it is big, beautiful and new, big, beautiful and new, that will be the good one, so that it is new. All know that my school is new, no, this will be nice, because building, why I did not give school itself, is a building, okay. So here, I like my school because it is beautiful, big and new. So this way we can adjust. For rest of the answers now, for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, dear friends, you can see it on the screen. Once again I am telling you, please pause the video, note down the answers, okay. If you have any doubts, please do let me know. I shall try, I will try to get your doubts clarified, okay dear friends. Then see you people in the next class. Till then, keep studying dear friends, and stay safe, take care.